that you have seen in her?
Good evening. I've known her since she was a very young girl, and I still think she's a very young girl. She still has a lot of growing up to do. And if you think this is strong, then you don't know what's coming ahead.
I think that was a compliment.
I'm not sure.
Everything here is only compliments.
Alright. So, usually you see that autobiographies are not written by too many 29-year-olds. And Sanya has, written an autobiography when she's 29. So tell us what you think about this, that writing an autobiography at 29.
I think it's new. It's different. People do not achieve what she's achieved, even if they have to be born in 3 lifetimes. And they remember the last one, the previous one, they remember it, and they keep on coming back, coming back, coming back. They'll not be able to. So at 29, I think she had a lot to say. So before she forgets what she wanted to say, I thought that was a very wise, sensible decision for her to write her autobiography. Iske baad, there's going to be a part 2, 3, 4, because she's an achiever and she's going to keep on achieving.
Yes. So, Sanya runs a tennis academy herself where she nurtures talent from the country, and this is her way of giving back to the society. And you do a similar venture with Being Human. So talk to us a little about this.
I think it's incredible that she's doing this because, how do I put this? Why do you want to encourage competition? This country, akeli chal rahi, akeli chalo.
Because I'm not going to be like how you are acting for the last so many years and be number one. I cannot be. That I know for sure. So
she's going to be here for
not going to be
long while. It's incredible. I mean, to give back is the most difficult thing to do, actually. and some people do it so easily that आजकल if you do a good deed, उसके लिए compliment मिलता है आपको. Oh, what a nice deed you've done. But these deeds were very common earlier. It's just that this is in every human being has to be like that. But इतना rare हो गया ये कि किसी ने एक अच्छी चीज की तो उसकी बहुत तारीफ हो जाती है. So I don't think that ये जो आप कर रही हो ये बहुत कमाल कर रही हो, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि कमाल आप आगे जाके करोगी. This is just the beginning.
That's true. I mean, I just want to add here, like Salman said, I know him since I was 16 and I've seen the way he does give back, in so many different ways, whether it's being human, whether I've seen him how he is with people, and to me, I have learned that from him in a lot of different ways, and whether you know it or not, I have. And I know we were joking saying that we've never had this serious a conversation in the last 14 years between us. So
No, to give back, she has definitely learned from me.
yes, I have learned from him.
So I know Sanya as a sister, and we all know her, in different ways. So tell us, how different is Sanya as a friend to you?
PG 13 at night.
No matter how hard she is working, how busy she is, and she's got enough time for her friends. She will make sure wherever she's, she'll BBM, she'll message, she'll call, we'll be in touch. And this is something that not with me only, but with all her friends. She's got enough time for her friends, and whenever they need her, she's always there for them. I think this is an incredible quality. Okay, आज, for example, क्या किया आज आपने?
आज मैंने बहुत चीजें की. आज मैं सुबह प्रैक्टिस, सही में बोलना है, अच्छा स्केड्यूल मेरा. I went to practice in the morning. सुबह में 8 बजे I was actually shooting.
For how long you practiced?
I practiced only for an hour because it started raining. But I went because last night I was shooting. I was shooting till some 12 o'clock at night. And then I actually had another shoot for a magazine which I was shooting, and in between we were doing a lot of one-on-ones with a lot of people. And I'm here now, and I'm probably at one of the biggest days of my life, also because of the book, also because one of my very dear friends is here with me, and so it's been an incredibly busy day. I have no idea. I don't think I've had lunch. I just had some chai and some breakfast, but I'm here, and this makes it worth it. I mean, I just want to say that this makes it worth it, and you being here makes it worth it. So thank you so much.
This is something else. And just look at the picture. मतलब कि ये any time यहाँ पर तो बहुत अच्छा कर ही रही हैं टेनिस के अंदर, लेकिन ये फिल्मों भी घुसना चाहें, जो कि घुसना नहीं चाह रही हैं. If she wants to join movies as well, she'll have this position here.
How she started from a very simple life, and there were a lot of struggles. So tell us, what do you think is a person needs in life to be successful, like both of you are?
Struggle to bhai karna hai. I don't think anyone has made it without a struggle. So all the people who have not made it have never struggled. Most of them. They've not struggled as hard as the other person is. हमको सबको ऐसा लगता है कि we are really working really hard, कि बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं हम, लेकिन आपको ये पता नहीं है कि जो दूसरा है, जो अगला है, वो आपसे तीन गुना ज्यादा मेहनत कर रहा है. So you always need to be working 10 times harder than what you actually think that you're working. Because सबको ऐसा लगता है कि we're working really hard. अरे सुबह से उठता हूँ रात तक. But there's somebody else who's working so much harder.
I just want to say that we've all struggled. I think whether you make it or you don't make it, we all struggle. Destiny हमारी होती है, and by God's grace we are here, we are in this position.
मेरी तो destiny आपकी hard work है. मेरी destiny है.
we've all struggled, and I think that but to be successful, the struggle and the obstacles, everything, like people think, I think that's the whole point, is that people think that it just comes and falls in your lap overnight. It doesn't happen like that, and we've all had our own struggles, and we still have our own struggles even today after becoming successful.
मेरे साथ थोड़ा सा लैब में आके मेरी डेस्टिनी गिर गई. आपको रोज कितने 3.5-4 घंटे ज्यादा?
I think सबके अलग अलग struggles होते हैं. मेरा struggle वो है, you know, and
आपका स्ट्रगल तो बहुत मेहनत है भाई. You can't reach this position if you're not in that field, if you're not focused, if you're not dedicated, if you don't make like billions of sacrifices, you can't reach this position. There's no way. And I think everyone will agree with me here. तो एक आपने मुझे एक बहुत अरसे पहले 1000 की आपने मुझे एक कहानी सुनाई थी कि आपके स्ट्रगल के बारे में. वो क्या है?
गाड़ी